Seadas are a traditional Sardinian dessert that beautifully balances sweet and savory flavors. Originally created by shepherds as a simple yet indulgent treat, Seadas have become a staple in Sardinian celebrations. The pastry is filled with fresh Pecorino cheese, lightly fried until golden, and drizzled with local honey, making it a perfect representation of Sardinia's pastoral roots. This dessert captures not only the flavors of Sardinia, but also the essence of community and celebration, embodying the warmth of its people. As families gather to enjoy Seadas during special occasions, the dessert serves as a bridge between generations, preserving the culinary heritage of Sardinia. The quality of ingredients is paramount, with local produce elevating each bite of Seadas, creating a connection to the land and its resources. The love and dedication put into making Seadas is evident not only in their taste, but in the joy they bring to everyone who experiences them. Whether shared among family, friends, or loved ones, Seadas create moments of togetherness, celebrating both the dish and the culture from which it originates. Seadas are more than just a dessert. They are a symbol of joy, celebration, and the rich cultural tapestry of Sardinia, uniting people through shared flavors and traditions. Every Seadas tells a story, tying together the beauty of Sardinia's natural landscape and its culinary tradition, inviting everyone to savor and celebrate each bite. From orchards to celebrations, the essence of Seadas permeates every aspect of life in Sardinia, reminding us that food is a vital part of our shared human experience. The richness of the Pecorino cheese combined with the sweet honey creates an unforgettable flavor that leaves an indelible mark on everyone who tastes it. Seadas not only nourish the body but also feed the spirit, bringing people together in celebration and fostering bonds that last a lifetime. As tales of the past are woven into the present, Seadas become a testament to the island's heritage, preserving memories through the simple act of sharing food. In every bite of Seadas, you taste the essence of Sardinia, its landscapes, its people, and the timeless traditions that continue to thrive. Seadas are more than just a dessert. They are an invitation to connect, reflect, and enjoy the beautiful tapestry of life that unfolds at every shared meal. Through every recipe and every gathering, Seadas embody the spirit of Sardinia, celebrating the bonds between generations while honoring the island's rich culinary heritage. Whether at home or in a fine dining setting, Seadas reflect the versatility and timeless appeal of Sardinia's culinary art, bridging the gap between tradition and modernity. As culinary traditions evolve, Seadas remain a cherished staple, inspiring a new generation of chefs to honor and celebrate the flavors of their heritage. Seadas are not just a culinary delight, they weave stories of love, tradition, and joyful gatherings that resonate through the hearts of those who savor them. Each Seadas enjoyed is a reminder of the joy found in simple pleasures and the connections formed through the love of good food. In Sardinia, Seadas are woven into the fabric of every celebration, embodying the joy of togetherness and the warmth of culture beneath a starlit sky. As culinary traditions blend with modern influences, Seadas continue to captivate taste buds, proving that some dishes are truly timeless. Steeped in history, the recipe for Seadas carries the love and dedication of families, celebrating the essence of Sardinian culture through generations.